Bpifrance is an investment bank and it's the trusted partner for entrepreneurs in France. Bpifrance helps entrepreneurs by providing loans, guarantees and equity. We also invest in small, large cap, and also we provide investment from the seed to the stock exchange listing. At the same time, we also try to help entrepreneurs to export, and for example, we insure exportations with many kind of products. We also train, we also provide consulting. We try to help the entrepreneurs to organize in a community. We have acceleration program to help us to be more and more efficient and to be more in a team to provide a better experiences to their customers. So we try to develop all the ecosystem. We help them to innovate. For example, we help a lot of innovation projects, and for example, we try to develop now communities, the French Fab communities, the French Tech community, and now we strive, for example, the deep tech and the culture community. So we try to do our best effort to serve the future, which is our goal. My job in this very interesting company is to provide IT solution, because I'm the CIO of the Bpifrance organization. We have three main goals. Now, the first is to help the entrepreneurs to grow and to grow fast. As you know, the economy is going faster now. It's a good point that we help them to grow fast. At the same time, we want to develop an ecosystem around the entrepreneurs. We want to make a link all together to help them to go abroad, to export. And at the same time, we want them to be more innovative and to develop all the new ideas that are our main goals. We sum up that in serving the future. We want to deploy more ideas to help them to be more and more efficient. Maybe the first one is the digitalization. For example, we have to manage online services more and more, and that require, for example, real-time IT solutions. That could be one of these first trends. Maybe the second one is the stress about security. The cyber security now has changed. We have to be very, very careful about that. And the third one is to provide more and more services efficiently. We have to go faster. And for that, I really believe in that agility at scale is one of these trends. We really believe in the cloud solution to help us providing better solutions and time-to-market solution. The cloud is a key point of our strategy. We call that the cloud-first strategy. That means we try to use cloud solution as many times as we can. That means we are using more and more SaaS solution, but also we are using more and more public cloud. With a security issue, but that is one point that we now know how to manage based on our competencies. And also we are using hybrid cloud. So you can see that the cloud is everywhere in our strategy. We have a lot of regulation issues, like all the sector and the bank sector is very, very regulated. And now we have to go faster on that point. And the cloud is one of the solutions, and the SaaS solution is very efficient to be more in the time to market due to the regulation. And at the same time, we want to focus on our true business, which is a data-centric one. We want to focus on the data. And all the cloud should be seen as a commodity that helps us to be more focused. I think there are compliance and security issues. It's quite long to manage that and to be clear on what you can do and what you can't do. So we have to study quite a lot. And the contract issue are something that are very important. The encryption of the data, all these technical points could take quite a lot of time. For example, we take more than 1 year to contract this kind of subject. But after, when you did it, it goes very, very fast to implement. We implement using the Super Banking solution many reports. For example, we provide AnaCredit, AnaTitre, and Evolent reports, FinRep reports using Sopra solution. And it'll save us quite a lot of time because we do not have to manage all the churns that should be done every year. Before, we have 4 releases each year that we have to manage. Now it's done as a SaaS solution automatically. It's quite a good experience for us. We have a lot of work in the IT organizations and we have to deliver more and more. And we want to focus on our true value. And our true value is our core system is mainly on the data that we have to provide, and the data quality is a big issue for us. And we want to commoditize all the other part of our business. So, for example, the reports, the regularity reports are commodities that we have to provide to be conform. But it's not our core business, so if we can go fast, we try to do that using this kind of solution which are out of the shelves ready to do that. I think the cloud wave is something that will go everywhere in all the company because it brings a lot of values, to be honest. And the first is always the hardest one. But we really believe that it will be a common technology for all the banks in the next few years, of course. The main benefits that we can see for our teams is the save of time. That means before we spent time to update our reports. Now it's done continuously and automatically, so they can focus on other topics. I really believe that the reporting will be as our all IT solutions. Before and still today, we have a lot of batch organization, both batch reporting. I think tomorrow, as far as we go further in the real-time implementation of our data process, I think the next generation of reporting will be in real time.